Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. Going to talk to you about waiting periods after foreclosures and bankruptcies for conventional and government loans. So if you foreclose on a house and you're trying to get a conventional loan, you have to wait 7 years from the deed transfer date out of your name into the bank's name. That's a long time. If you do a short sale or a deed in lieu, and a deed in lieu is where you hand over the keys to the bank and say, here, I give up. So you don't let it you don't sit there and live there for 3 years for free. You actually turn it in early. That's a deed in lieu. And a short sale is when you sell it short, less than you owe, and then the bank eats the difference of the loss. So those two are 4 years on Fannie and Freddie. 7 years for foreclosure, 4 years for Fannie and Freddie on a short sale deed in lieu. If you're doing a bankruptcy and you have a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you need 4 years from the discharge date for a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13, and you need 2 years from Chapter 13 dismissal. So those are the waiting periods for Fannie and Freddie. FHA, the waiting period for a foreclosure is 3 years from the date that the deed was transferred. So a short sale and a foreclosure are the same for FHA, it's 3 years. And for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, it is a 2-year waiting period for FHA. Chapter 13, you can do a mortgage while you're in the Chapter 13 FHA after 1 year of making payments on time. So there's really no waiting period except for that first year that you're in the Chapter 13. You have to fit some guidelines to qualify, but 1 year into your Chapter 13, you can do it. It doesn't have to be discharged or anything like that. VA is 2 years on a short sale and 3 years on a foreclosure. So VA is a little bit easier on that, and the bankruptcy is the same as FHA for VA, so it's 2 years from the discharge, and for Chapter 13, it's 1 year in it, show you payments on time. We have a new product out there, it's called non-QM, and we could do 1 day out of foreclosure, and we could do 1 day out of bankruptcy. So those are all the good ones. Now, jumbo is 7 years for a foreclosure, no matter what, and 4 years for the bankruptcy. So they're a little bit tougher. The jumbos are tougher to get done. So those are all the combinations of all the loans and all the waiting periods for foreclosure to bankruptcy. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, go on our website, look up gustanshow.com. We got tons of blogs and all this at gustancho.com, or give me a call at 630-915-7550. Thank you.